Hello Doraemons, welcome back to my channel. So it has been long that we have met, so sorry for that. And for this video I'm back with a question which is asked on 25th of July, which will be very useful for the next IRA happening on Monday. So this question is a bit different, and I have got some new commands to teach you guys so that you feel easy to sort the arrays and you can have a clear idea on how to print the delimiters when you want in a certain place alone, and if you want to print the exceptional case like no results found, that is also going to be useful in this video. So without further delay, let's get started. So here I do have the question. Here we have 2 points to be noted based on the input, which is they have given three type of delimiters. One is slash, and another one is a comma, and another one is an hyphen. So you have to make everything even. So the first job is to make the delimiters as same as possible, and then you have to get the items which are manufactured before 2021. So these are the two things to be noticed majorly, and here you have to sort the items based on the price of the item. So let's see the question. So here they have given write an UNIX command to print the two least costliest appliance manufactured before 2021 in ascending order of the price, and you have to arrange them in ascending order based on the price. So let's first arrange our input. First, let's make our delimiter same. So the first thing we have to do is to use the tr command, as you guys already know. So first I'm going to replace the slash with the comma, and after that I'm going to pass a pipe. You guys know how the pipe works. It is used to pass the output of one command into another if you want to make any further changes to the output. So after making this, I'm going to also change the hyphen to comma. So now we'll have at least 7 columns, and we can ignore the first row. So this is usually not required in our outputs. Also in the output it is not mentioned we have to print the header, so we can totally ignore the header in this phase. So I'm just going to paste the input and let's see what we get as the output. And here it goes. I'm just running it. So now we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows in 7 columns in a row, and we can ignore this first one, and all got separated. So now we have a proper data set to process our data so that we get the required output. Next, we'll first ignore the header line. So for that we are going to getting started with our awk command, awk and a single quotes, and then begin. Don't forget the space, and then the field separator, which is comma in this case. And here I'm going to use an array, so I'm going to declare a variable called c with the 0, assigning it to 0, and you have to use a semicolon when you declare variables, so make sure you don't forget that. And here in this place we are going to ignore the header by using nr is greater than 1, and inside it I'm going to give a condition. Let's see what we get here. We are going to obviously get all the 7 rows because we have not done any checking yet. So let's first do the checking. So first thing we have to do is we have to get the items which are manufactured before 2021. That which is this last column should be greater than, it should be less than 2021 because it is mentioned as before 2021, so it should be less than 2021. So let's put that. If so, the year comes up to I think $7 if we count in here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the year is $7, which is the 7th column. So here I'm just going to put $7 is less than 2021, and if it is, then we'll see whatever we get. I'll just print the names, which is $2, and let's see. Now I'm just going to run it. We have got only 3, almost our output. Like we need only fan and coffee maker with the grinder. So let's print it with the price so that we can see what is the difference between the price. So the price comes as $4. So I'm just giving $4 and I'm running it again. So now we have the price. So grinder is 10,000 and coffee maker is 6,000 and fan is 2,500. So now we have to arrange them according to the price, and then we have to get only the first 2 items because they have asked for the 2 least costlier appliances manufactured before 2021. So here we got 3. We have to arrange them in ascending order based on the price, and then we have to get only 2 of them, first 2. So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an array, because we have this no record found case also, so we have to handle this too. So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to an array, for which exactly I used this C variable. So a of C is equal to, and here I'm going to just put an hyphen because the output should be the appliance name hyphen and the price. So I'm just going to store it in that format, and after storing it, I'm just going to increment the value of C. This is the part of the array. So this is done. Now we'll have an array. Let's print and see it what we have got in the array. So in the end part, I'm just going to give. So here also I'm going to write the exceptional case. If C is still equal to 0, then it means it didn't fetch any record. So here I'm just going to give this no appliance found. So let's copy paste it here, and it is done. Make sure you just copy paste what is given in the question. Even this full stop is missed, you may get the test case not pass. The test case will not pass even if one case is different, or if there is a full stop or a space. So it's better you copy paste from this, and in the else part I'm going to print the items from the array. So for I in A, and this is the format to print an array. I think you may have known this before from the videos. And here I'm just going to give print A of I, and let's see. Just I'm going to run it now. So now we have got the same thing with then hyphen right over here. So we don't need a little space also over here. It is done already. So now we have to just arrange them. So here comes the kingmaker. This is the command I've been thinking to teach you guys. So what about this command? It is same like the sort command, but here you can even, as you know, this is stored as a single element in an array. Like I've just given A of I, and it is stored as a single element in an array. So you cannot sort it by using the sort command directly. So here, if I just give sort, it will get arranged randomly based on like this. It will be not in proper order. It will not be arranged based on the price. So what I can do here is I'm just going to give hyphen n. It should consider as number, and here I can pass the delimiter by giving hyphen t and a comma. Let's try this. Did it run? So guys, here the delimiter is hyphen, sorry about that, and here we have like 2 columns. When we separate it with the delimiter, we'll have 2 columns, which is one is the name of the appliance and another will be the price. So I'm just mentioning sorted based on column 2 with the delimiter as hyphen. So I'm just now running it. You can see we got fan 2,500, coffee maker 6,000, and grinder 10,000. Now it got arranged properly, and here we can just put head of -2. and now I'm just going to run it. Boom, the output is here and this is the output. Now let's try to change the dates and see whether we get this no uplands found. So here we have the date in grinder. I'm here going to change it to 2021, and also in coffee maker 2021, and also in the fan I'm going to just put 2021. Now let's run and see it. It's done, guys. So you people have been asking for this one through Telegram, so here it is, the solution for the question you have asked. Like, this is a different question. I hope you learned a new trick to sort an array based on like this. So if this question gets asked in the next IRA, it will be very useful for you guys to solve the same kind of question with two scenarios and also with two different type of delimiters, and you can separate a single element in an array by using this -t delimiter sign. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful. If so, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and hit that like button, so it will be very helpful for me to provide more videos like this, and I'll get to know which videos you like more. So I'll provide videos on the same topic so that you can be benefited too and I too. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. This is your very own Code Doraemon signing off. Bye bye, cheers, and have a good day. Bye bye.